Welcome to Wholesaling Quickies, where I'm going to try to give you as much information as possible in less than 5 minutes because you have a short attention span. All right, what market should I wholesale in? Now, this is the number one question I get with virtual wholesalers that are just starting out. What market should I do this in, RJ? And I get it. But we have resources that we want to give you. So right off the bat, I'm going to tell you, you can go to titaniumvault.com/markets, and it's a free PDF that gives you an explanation over all 50 states. Gives you title companies, gives you my breakdown of how I feel about the acquisitions, dispositions, and an overall rating, as well as the percentage of deals that we've done in all 50 states. Now, here's some quick tips on the different markets. Anything west of Texas is going to be more difficult on acquisitions, but easier on dispositions. Anything east of Texas is going to be fairly easy on acquisitions, but can be a little bit more difficult on dispositions. The other thing about the Midwest and the Sun Belt states is that they're notorious for having lower assignment fees. Now, here's how you should make your decision on what market you're going to virtually wholesale in. Who do you know in those markets that can help you close deals? What I mean by that is, do you know actual end buyers? Do you know joint venture partners that can help you with dispositions? Especially when you're getting started, you should be focused on getting deals and not necessarily how to dispo those deals. Probably our first 100 wholesale transactions, we did not do the dispositions ourselves. We just JV'd with someone else that had known buyers. I recommend majority of newer wholesalers should do the exact same thing. Find someone that has buyers, find out what those locations are, purchase leads in those markets, and get great at closing and comping and underwriting and understanding where those end buyers will buy deals. This will help you decide what markets to choose. Now, the other thing that you need to be paying attention to is the wholesale regulations. Over the past several years, many wholesale regulations have come down and made some states extremely difficult to wholesale in. I'll give you a couple of those just right off the top of my head. Oregon, Nebraska, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Oklahoma, Illinois. It's not that you can't wholesale, it's just that there are regulations in those locations, and it does make it a little bit more difficult. Sometimes having to get a licensed realtor involved or using transactional funding to do a double close. Again, the most important thing is, who do you know in the markets that can help you succeed as a virtual wholesaler? Now, to reiterate, the free resource that we are giving you, you can download at titaniumvault.com/markets. Download that, decide your markets, don't overthink it, go get you some properties under contract, let's get this money.